Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker DIS or Walt Disney Company. So I've got the daily time frame pulled up here and you can see that they are still in a downtrend, but they did break back above a key level. So if we zoom into the daily here, you can see right here they had a big gap down right here and they have filled that gap. So they had that big gap down, they bled out to just under the $80 mark. Started to rally up here, and then on this day right here, the 11th, you can see a pretty big swing in price, a pretty big wick sticking out on top here, but they closed at around 82.59 on the 11th, and they were able to renew the contract with Charter. So it says Charter CFO hails Disney renewal as triumph for pay TV industry. So the CFO here of Charter, Jessica Fisher, celebrates the recent contract renewal with Walt Disney as a victory for pay TV providers, making a significant development in their collaboration. This agreement, announced on September 11th, includes Charter offering Disney Plus and ESPN Plus streaming services to its subscribers at no extra cost. Charter will pay Disney a wholesale rate for Disney Plus and receive ESPN Plus as part of the deal. Additionally, Charter will discontinue specific Disney channels, including Freeform and Disney Junior, which it had opted not to pay for, Bloomberg reports. So Disney and Charter were part of a bitter battle over carriage fees, with Charter alleging that Disney is demanding higher prices for its channels without waiving charges for its streaming services to Charter customers. So I know this was a big deal here lately for Disney, and they made big moves lower, as this battle kind of was fought between Disney and Charter, but now with that renewal, that's definitely a good thing here for Disney and their financials. So kind of looking at the daily time frame here, you can see that they have remained profitable. You can see this earnings quarter right here is not very good at all compared to a lot of the other ones, but they were still in the positive for EPS at 30 cents a share. And then you can see the last three quarters have been much stronger, 99 cents a share, 93 cents a share, $1.03. So let's go to the 3-year weekly here. And you can kind of see that a lot of these earnings quarters here are getting pretty close to what we saw in 2022, where we had these 3 strong quarters here of $1.06, $1.08, $1.09. So definitely heavily discounted here. You can see this huge move down in price, as this thing was up around 203, 204. At the beginning of this 3-year weekly time frame here. So definitely at a big discount right now. And with this huge move down in price and the earnings remaining profitable here, I think this is a really good discount for the stock. I own shares of this stock, and if they continue to move lower, I think I'm just going to pick up more shares. I did not get in below that 80 mark. I think I'm in at 83, which is pretty much where they're trading right now. But if they do start to dump and have another sell-off and make a move lower, I think that's going to be a good price to kind of average down and just snag more shares. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker DIS or Walt Disney. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.